In this video, we're going to take this cube that we created in the previous video and add flat shading to it. In the previous video, we used points and edges to draw the cube, but in order to implement flat shading, we have to use faces instead. So the first thing we're going to do is create a list of sets that contain the vertices that make up each face and the color we want that face to be. Each face of the cube is made up of 4 different vertices, and we can define these by referencing the indices inside of our cube points list. I've already added the back face of the cube to the cube faces, so I'll quickly go through and add the other 5 faces. Now we have to modify the draw cube method. The first step here is to comment out the for loop that draws the edges of the cube. Next, we're going to create an empty list called face data. Then we're going to use a for loop to iterate through the cube faces. Now we're going to iterate through face indices and get the point with the smallest z value after they've been rotated. Next, we're going to store the minimum z, face indices, and color inside of face data. Outside of the loop, we'll sort face data to where the cube faces that are farther away are listed first. Now we can use the information inside of face data to draw the cube faces with flat shaded colors. With another for loop, we're going to iterate through face data. The first value in each item, min z, isn't used in this loop, so we're going to use an underscore in its place. Then we're going to get the projected points for the current face. Next, we convert the points from a nested list into a single list. The reason we converted points from a nested list to a single list is because we have to pass it into the canvas's create polygon method, which doesn't accept nested lists. Finally, we call the create polygon method to draw the cube. Now if we run the code, your cube should have flat shading. And that's it for now, and thank you for watching.